Hey there! Today, we're checking out the Wildone Baking Sheet with rack set, which includes 3 versatile pans in large, medium, and small sizes, each paired with a matching cooling rack. Perfect for everything from cookies and brownies to pastries and macarons. Made from premium 18/0 stainless steel, these baking sheets are free from chemical coatings, so you don't have to worry about rust or harmful flakes ending up in your food. They're built to last with a sturdy, heavy-duty feel that resists warping even in the hottest ovens, ensuring long-term durability and consistent baking results. The deep, full sides and smooth, rolled edges keep your food securely on the pan without any sharp spots to worry about, while the dense parallel lines on the racks prevent smaller treats from falling through. Plus, the roasting racks can be used separately, adding even more versatility to your kitchen tools. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the smooth mirror finish that keeps everything shiny and non-stick, and both pans and racks are dishwasher safe or easy to hand wash. If you want a reliable, multi-use baking set that combines quality, functionality, and easy maintenance, this Wildone set is a fantastic choice for your baking adventures. Thank you for watching. Check the link in description to buy this product. Please like and subscribe.